subtraction is by using an open number line. And this is very similar to an open number line for addition. And an open number line is a number line that doesn't have any predetermined numbers on it. So let's say that you wanted to do a subtraction problem that you normally wouldn't carry on. And remember in second grade, you normally wouldn't borrow on. And in second grade we don't really teach borrowing anymore because we really want the kids to understand the conceptual reasons behind subtraction or addition. So let's take 46 minus 24. What you would do is you would draw an open number line, and again you would start with the biggest number. But this time you want to go backwards because you're subtracting. So you're going to start with 46 and then you're going to decompose 24. And you can do this by doing 10, 10, and 4, or even 20 and 4. Let's start with 10, 10, and 4. So we're going to jump by 10 backwards. So it's going to say minus 10. And 46 minus 10 is 36. And we're going to jump back another 10, trying to keep those even jumps since they're both 10. Sometimes I teach the kids to cross out the 10s as they use them so they remember. 36 take away 10 is 26. And then we only have 4 more to take away. So 26 take away 4, 22. So that's one open number line that you can do using 2-digit subtraction. This would normally not be one that we would borrow on if we were teaching borrowing. But let's try one where you would borrow. How about 48 minus 39? Again, start with the biggest number. Draw your open number line. Place that big number on the number line. Sometimes I tell the kids to cross that number out so they know they've used it. Then you can decompose 39. This time you could even just decompose it into 30 and 9. And then do a jump. So 48 minus 30, which would be 18. Then you've used the 30. And then this is where it gets a little bit difficult because students might not know that 18 take away 9 is 9. They might not understand that math back. So what they can do is make it into a friendly 10. So they can break 9 up into 1 and 8. Subtract 8 to get 10. And then subtract 1 more to get 9. So that's how you might jump over that 10 in order to get your answer. Let's try one more. So let's try about 60 here. 68 minus 49. Actually, we've already done that. Let's do something a little bit different. 64 minus 46. And this one you would have to do some borrowing if you didn't know this method.
Excuse me. You are now running on reserve battery power.
Place that on the number line. Then you can decompose this. This time I might want to jump by 20s. 20, 20, and 6. So 64, take away 20, is 44. Take away another 20 is 24. 24. And then I have the 6. Again, this is where that jump is a little bit hard, because 6 away from 24 is a hard number for a lot of kids to get. But they could take away 4 to get to 20. So then they could break the 6 up into 4 and 2. And then from 20, take away 2 and get 18. And that's how they could get their answer. So again, this is using open number lines. For two-digit subtraction.